So in the first year of our program, students learn all the basics of, they develop an amazing foundation of how to shoot and edit and tell stories. And so we have the latest camera equipment, gimbals, lighting setups, sound, audio, and they and also editing. So they learn all the basics they need. By the second year of our program, they, as I said, work on a show that airs on television. So rather than just tell students how to produce a show, we actually produce a show that is on television. You can see it at conistogaconnected.ca. It also airs 3 times a week on Rogers Cable 20, which is our local community television station here in the Kitchener-Waterloo region. The show's won 4 national awards by Canadian media educators. The last award we received was just this past July for Best Student Series in Canada. So we obviously are giving them the skills needed to achieve excellence in this area. And then they also plan and produce mobile productions. So sports television is, or live television production is a huge growing industry. So any live productions such as sporting events, award shows, debates, things like that, it always garners a huge television audience, and we teach students how to set up and produce work in the field. So our final semester of the program is made up of 2 things. So they do 7 weeks where they work on a large capstone project, and then the other half of the semester they have a field placement. So the capstone projects is where students can really pick an area they're passionate about and focus on that area. So you can see in the top left-hand photo is that's a photo from a music video, which also won a national award. The middle one is from an animation, an excellent animated video. The bottom one's a corporate video. Top right, we have one of our documentaries that also won an award for trailer. And we have a short film in the middle and another corporate video for Perimeter Institute in Physics. And that video was actually helped launch the, when the discovery of the black hole was made. So that was very exciting as well. So students really get to dive deeper into an area they're passionate about and produce amazing work. So here are some students on job placements. So we've had placements have included a Canadian Broadcast Corporation, which is our national broadcaster. TSN is our sports network. We've had other networks here in Canada. Open Text and Vidyard are local companies. That's a software company and a video solutions company. So we have placements both locally and a lot of placements in Toronto as well. We have had students go as far as London, England on placement. CBC has a branch there. So one of our students were chosen among all students to be sent over there. And then our graduates have had a lot of success in many areas. Every single company needs a video. Our students know how to make them. So you're going to get, so they're hired at television networks, also production companies, corporate video. We've had many students start their own production companies and become entrepreneurs in that way. And we've also have students working in the area of film as well.